Hi, you're welcome to GMats class. Now today we want to do the correction to the assignment I gave in my last video. After solving this problem, if you get the answer, let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget, those of you that have not subscribed to this channel, please let's try and do that and share the videos with your friends. Now let's look at the problem. A parallelogram has sides of 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now the distance between the 12 centimeter side is 4 centimeter. Now find the distance between the 8 sides, 8 centimeter side. So now how do we do this? The first thing now is to sketch the diagram. Okay, so a parallelogram So this is just a sketch of the parallelogram. Right? So we have side 12 centimeter, and we also have side 8 centimeter. Okay, so these are the sides. So this place is also 8 centimeter, and this is also 12 centimeter. Okay, so now the distance between the 12 centimeter sides is 4 centimeter. That is, the distance between this and this is 4 centimeters. So we draw a straight line that will be perpendicular to the second parallel line. So the distance between this and this is 4 centimeters. Okay, so now the question now is you have to find the distance between the 8 centimeter. That is the distance between this and this. You know, in a parallelogram, we have two pairs of parallel lines. So this is the first parallel line, and the second parallel lines are this. They're the second parallel lines. And of course now, opposite sides are equal. So this is equal to this is also equal to this. So we now want to get the distance between these parallel lines. We want to get the distance between. So we draw a line in such a way that it's going to be perpendicular to this. So okay, so this is what we are looking for. The distance between this and this. That is what we want to get. Now to do this, now the first thing now is to get this angle. We need to get this angle. So let's consider this right angle triangle. Okay, so we have, when you look at this, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent, since this is our reference angle. So in this case, we have opposite and hypotenuse given. So opposite and hypotenuse, that is sine. We have sine theta equals to opposite 4 over hypotenuse, that's 8. So sine theta equals to 1 all over 2. So sine theta, let's say theta now, theta equals to inverse sine of 1 over 2. Okay, and that's going to give us 30 degrees. You know, it's a special angle, so that's 30 degrees. Okay, so now this angle here is the same thing as the angle we have here. Now this is 30, this is going to be 30. So vertically opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. So the angle here is equal to, that means this place is going to be 30 degrees. Alright, so now this is what I want to get, the height. So let's consider this right angle triangle now. Okay, so this is going to be the hypotenuse, this is the opposite, and this is the adjacent. All right, so here now we have opposite and hypotenuse. So we are still going to make use of sine. So we have sine 30 degrees equals to opposite x over hypotenuse, which is 12. And don't forget, sine 30 is the same thing as 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 equals to x over 12. Okay, so we cross multiply. We have 2x equals to, this times this, we have 12. So you divide both sides by 2. So we have x equals to 12 over 2. And therefore, x equals to 6 centimeters. Now let's solve the second problem. But before we do that, if you have not shared this video with your friends, please try and do that. Subscribe to this channel and also drop a comment. Now let's look at the question. The area of the figure below is 72 centimeters square and the perimeter is 48. Find the values of x and y. So now when you look at this question, now we have been given the area of this figure. So when you examine the figure very well, you will see that we have 3 rectangles there. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. Let's target 1, 2, and 3. So look at this first one, this second one. They are similar. They are the same thing. Because when you look at this is going to be the breadth and the length is going to be x. The same thing here, length and breadth. So, but this, the length is x, is y. You can see the y, and the breadth is 4 centimeters. So we can find the area. Now finding the area of a rectangle, you just multiply the length by the breadth. Okay, so now let's find the area. Area of the first rectangle is going to be the length times breadth. That's x times y, x times 3. That's 3x centimeters square. Now the second one, area of the second rectangle, now is going to be y times 4. So that's going to be 4y. And the third one, we said is the same thing with the first one. That's 3x. This is length times breadth. Okay, so now we have been given the area to be 72. That means 3x plus 3x plus 4y is equals to 72. All right, so now let's tidy up this. When you add this, we have 6x plus 4y equals to 72. So you divide through by 2. This becomes 3x plus 2y equals to 36. So this is equation 1. All right, now let's look at the second part of the question. And the perimeter is 48. When we say perimeter of a figure, we are talking about the measurement of the line that is describing the shape. So we are adding all the sides together. So we had 3 plus x plus everything here plus x plus 3 plus what we have here. So now let's do that. So let's start with this. We have 3 plus the length here is x plus from here to here. Now see, from here to here is 3. And also from here to here is y. And see, now from here to here is y. And from here to here is also 3. So that means we have 2 3's there. So that's 6. 6 plus y will be 6 plus y. Now here is x plus x, sorry. That's plus x plus what we have here is 3 plus now here. Now when you look at it, from here to here is x. From here to here is 4. So if I want to get this one, I will just remove 4 from x, the whole length. So that's going to be x minus 4. That's plus x minus 4 plus this place, that's y plus y. And from here to here, it's also the same thing as this. So that's going to be plus x minus 4. Everything gives 48 centimeters. So 48 centimeters. So now let's tidy up this. So let's add the numbers first. This and this gives 9. 9 plus this gives 12. 12 minus 4, we have 8. 8 minus 4, we have 4. So that's 4. Now let's add x together. This 1x, another x, that's 2x, plus this 3x, plus this 4x, so plus 4x. And let's add y. This is 1y, this is 2y, so plus 2y. Everything is equal to 48. All right, so you can divide through by 2. When you divide through by 2, we have 2 plus 2x plus y equals to 24. So this can go to this other side. We have 2x plus y equals to 24 minus 2. Okay, so we have 2x plus y equals to 22. So this is going to be equation 2. All right, so we now have two equations. So we'll solve the two equations simultaneously. Solve the two equations simultaneously. All right, so let's use substitution method. Now from equation 2, we can make y to be the subject of the formula. So y equals to 22 minus 2x. Okay, 22 minus 2x. So you substitute y into equation 1. So when you do that, you have 3x plus 2. So I'm to write y now. 2y. So, but this is the value of y. So you substitute. We have 22 minus 2x equals to 36. All right. So you can open the bracket here. We have 3x plus 44 minus 4x equals to 36. All right. So now, when you look at this and this is 3x, this is minus 4x. So we'll be having minus x, all right, equals to 36 minus 44. All right. So when this one moves to this side, the sign changes. So we have minus x equals to, so this minus this. So we have minus 8. Okay, so that means x equals to 8 if you multiply both sides by minus. Right, so this is the value of x, and x should be in centimeter. All right, now let's look at the second question, the second part of the question. Y is y equals to 22 minus 2x. So from here, so we can substitute the value of x into this. So we have y equals to 22 minus 2 open bracket. X is 8. So we have y equals to 22 minus 16. So y equals to 6 centimeter. So these are the values of x and y.